Good morning. I just left Cernace after staying at municipal hostel. It was €8 for donativo. I gave them 10, and I'm happy that I could sleep there because yesterday I was really soaking wet. It rained from after lunch, just tiny sort of rain, nothing special for Scamp. But then the doors to the waterfall from above opened. So from 3 o'clock until 5 when I reached the hostel, I was soaking wet. And it's gonna be a week of rain, they said. So we'll see. And at this part, I don't find so many hostels that I can jump between. So we'll see if I'll end up in my tent tonight or whatever. So the main thing today is to pass through Coimbra, which is a university town. It's the third oldest university in the world. So, morning traffic. Yep. Wow, this is a slur. Yep. Coimbra. It's a well-known Roman city. It has even an amphitheater, a forum. And what you see here in front of us is a water system, aqueduct, to bring in water from far away. I'm so impressed with these guys. So long ago they did the right thing. Over there is Hotel Astoria. Well, that's news. Well, it's a rainy day and you get wet. So just embrace the suck. Rainy days make great stories. So over here is my office. So I'm gonna sit down and rest for a while. So here I am at the local pub with my gang. So this is an eucalyptus plantation on both sides of the road. So I'm going a few miles more, then I'm gonna look for somewhere to stay.